Verb forms. Verbs can be formed by adding prefixes, letters added at the beginning of words, or suffixes, letters added at the end of words, to words. Sometimes you may have to make spelling changes. Verbs basically show action. Verbs made by adding prefixes beginning with en, n. Examples: large, enlarge. Sure, ensure. Beginning with im. Examples: prison, imprison. Beginning with dis, dis. Examples: robe, disrobe. Band, disband. Verbs made by adding suffixes ending in ise is or ize is. Examples: fertile, fertilize. Popular, popularize. Memory, memorize. Crystal, crystallize. Advice, advise. Ending in ify, ify. Examples: class, classify. Simple, simplify. Glory, glorify. Horror, horrify. Satisfaction, satisfy. Justification, justify. Ending in en, n. Examples: height, heighten. Awake, awaken. Glad, gladden. Ending in ate, ate. Examples: domestic, domesticate. Vaccine, vaccinate. People, populate. Calculation, calculate. We have now understood how verbs are formed with prefixes and suffixes.